In a bustling world where every day is ordinary.
There's just one day when I truly belong.
Trick or treat.
Halloween, the night where magic is real and monsters can be themselves.
Imagine, every day a day of masks, candy, and delightful spooks.
But what if? What if every day could be Halloween?
There's a way, and I'm going to find it.
Join Frank as he embarks on a time-tumbling journey. One monster, one time-traveling coffin, one mission to fill every calendar page with Halloween.
Trick or treat, good sirs and madams.
Through pyramids, castles, and ancient arenas, Frank introduces Halloween's spirit, centuries at a time.
And that, philosophers, is the art of the perfect scare.
That is a profound thought.
Monsters, myths, and mummies. History is about to get a monstrous makeover in Frankentime.
Make every day Halloween? Not on my watch, Frank.